Boker Tov, good morning. We continue with our 3-minute daily dose of Torah. Yesterday we were comparing and seeing the parallels between the way that the Lot behaves towards the strangers who come his way and the way that Avraham behaves towards the strangers who come his way. And Lot learns from them. But there are parts and significant distinctions that Chazal pick up on. Some of them are minor, some of them are major. Lot has a challenge that Avram doesn't have. Avram is the master of his home and can set the tenor for what happens there. This is a home of welcome. And what does he do? He brings everybody into action to go ahead and make a meal. He calls a servant, sends his wife. Everything's the whole encampment of Avraham is caught up in Hachnasat Orchim. On the other hand, because of the realities of Sodom, this is done all alone and it's done in secret. So he says to them, right, turn towards your servant's house, suruna, which means let's find a way to maneuver through the alleys to come to my house. And you'll sleep, you'll lie down, and you'll go on your way. Right? Actually, hashkama, you'll get up very early in the morning, go off on your way. Not merely because look, if I know you must have a long journey ahead, but there's a sense you'll get up before other people will see you because that's the reality. And they say we'll just stay on the street. Vayiftzar ba ma'od, and he presses them greatly. Vayasuru elav, and they turn towards him. Vayabol beito. Vayas lahem mishta umatzot afa b'ochelu, and he makes them a feast, and he bakes matzah, and they eat. So he's committed. He's committed, but he's really in a difficult situation because everything we know about the traditions that we know about this people of Sodom is that they are a place which is bountiful. Kegan Hashem ke'eretz Mitzrayim, we're told. It's all the areas around. Right? It is like the garden of God, like the land of Egypt, all that surrounds it. But according to our traditions, Sodom has no readiness at all. In fact, a set of rules forbidding the sharing of their bounty with anyone else. And so Lot is in a tough bind and seemingly does his best at doing Hachnasat Orchim. Seemingly does his best at doing Hachnasat Orchim, to be continued tomorrow.